All right, we will go ahead and get started. Again, this is ReAccess Live, and my name is Danny. I'm the Senior Business Analyst here at Intact. So just a reminder that ReAccess is now available for entrepreneurs and small businesses. We have a new website to support the no-code community at myreaccess.com, and we support the Build in Public initiative. Our mission is to empower citizen developers and grow the no-code community. So for this week's demonstration, we are going to actually make some modifications to our recipe book app that we demonstrated last week using our app builder. All right, so I've got here my recipe book application. All right. So last week we added a few ingredients and we created a few recipes so that we have those to go back on. So this week we're going to actually make some changes to our application just so we can demonstrate how quickly and easily you can configure your ReAccess applications. Okay, so this is the ReAccess app builder that comes built in with every ReAccess application. You can see here we have our two forms, our ingredients and recipes, which we have over here. We also have data sources, which are going to be any of our drop-down lists. So for this one, I'm going to start off with, whereas last week our where to buy was a free text field, I would like to change that to a data source. So I'm going to come here to data sources and add new. It's already defaulted to active, and this is going to be a custom list, so where we are going to add some items. So we will put Publix, Walmart, we can put IGA, oops, and we will add Aldi's, and then we're just going to add our keys. Our keys are going to be what is actually stored in the database as the value for each of these, and then the display text is what will show in our drop-down list. So in order to make a drop-down list, we obviously have to create the data source first, which is what we're doing now. So we've saved that. Now we're going to go up to our ingredients, and we're going to click our where to buy field. It's currently set as text as the control type and text as the field type. So we want to change this to a list, and we are going to change it to a drop-down list. And then we are going to select store, which is the data source that we just created. So now when we go to our application, rather than having a text box for where to purchase, where to buy, we will have an actual drop-down list. So let me publish this real quick. All right, so that has successfully published. Now we're going to refresh our app. All right, so now you can see we have a where to buy option in our search that is now a drop-down versus a text value. So if we wanted to make any other changes, for example, if I wanted to add to our units of measure, I wanted to add gallons, I can do so. And we're going to save that. And now go into our recipes and add new. This is where our ingredients drop down is. Our units of measure now has gallons. So as you can see, it just takes a few minutes to make any sort of changes. You can also add fields, remove fields, again, change the type of field, add a new data source, all within a matter of minutes. And so for next week, we are going to demonstrate how to modify the search screens and show the difference between the search screens and the search reports. And do we have any questions? Then this will conclude this week's session of ReAccess Live. Be sure to join us every Tuesday at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, and have a great day.